Hello if you're new, if not, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed already, you probably should at this point. Also follow me on Instagram at AsToldByTaj with 3 Y's if you want to keep up with me, see what I'm thinking about, see what I'm doing when I'm not posting on here. Be sure to do that. And yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm using. This is the Bobbi Boss King pre-feathered tips Ocean Wave 28 inch. And I got it in the color 1B27, T430, and number 2. These two are ombre, so I'm gonna mix everything in. This is it. And they were $5.99 a pack. So I will see you guys later when I'm finished. Okay guys, so I have in my hair the Bobbi Boss King Ocean Wave. It comes in 28 inches, but obviously I didn't put 28 inches in my hair because that's just way too long. Thought I would try this because I've been really liking to do like the goddess braids, or you know, Zoe Kravitz braids, or whatever you want to call them. I've been really enjoying that hairstyle, and I like the versatility of it. So this is my 3rd install of that type of hairstyle, and it's my first time trying the Bobbi Boss King hair. I did my hair last Friday, so tomorrow it'll be in my head a week. It only took me 3.5–4 hours to install straight through because I had somewhere to go, so I did it straight through. My first impression of the hair is the wave is very nice. It definitely is a wave. I really like the wave. Also, I can admit that it does feel like braiding hair. It's not like when I had the Batik hair in, where at least when it came out of the pack, it was really soft. It's not really like that. It's definitely braiding hair. It feels just like braiding hair, which is not a complaint to me because it's synthetic, so I don't expect it to feel human. So it doesn't bother me. I didn't have a whole lot of shedding with this, surprisingly, given the fact that it is pretty much braiding hair. It is braiding hair. It's not like the Batik, which I'll link in the description box or at the end of the video, where it's like a premium fiber or anything like that. It's not really like that. It's just synthetic hair. What else can I tell you? Braiding it was no problem. Separating it was no problem. I did cut the little, it comes with like 3 bundles inside. I did cut them and kind of like, you know, customize the length because 28 inches was going to be way too much. So this is about, I'm 5'6", 5'7", so this is about, I want to say 20 inches. This is about 20 inches that I customized on me, and it only comes in 28 inches. So, I don't know. Also, what I didn't like was that the hair is it comes pre-feathered. So if you were to use the 28 inches, you really should just do braids. Don't leave any of the little waterfall pieces out because the thickness tapers down into nothing. So it kind of looks crazy, like you have all this volume on the top and then it just tapers into nothing. And I didn't really like that, so I ended up layering this. I'll take it out and show you. I ended up layering it because just when you separate the hair, it's just, like I said, it's feathered. So I ended up having to cut a lot because it was like longer, but it was so thin that it looked stupid. So I cut a lot of it, but this is what it looks like. I did the same technique as I did before. I'm not sure how many braids I have in my head, but yeah. The only maintenance that I'm doing is spraying my hair with leave-in conditioner, greasing my scalp with just my sweet almond oil spray conditioner. Also putting in my Cream of Nature mousse for the ends. This hair holds a smell a lot faster than the other two, so I will wash it. I'm not sure how it's gonna react to washing, but it shouldn't be that different than the other two hairs that I've tried. What else can I tell you? The packs were $5.99 each, and I got 3 packs. Again, one of the number 2 and one of each of the 2 colors. So I got 3 packs in total, and I used all of the number 2 hair, and I only used one little bundle of each of the mixed colors. So, and I did just alternate, you know, no particular way. I just alternated color because I just wanted something. So this is what my colors look like. This is the 27, and the oranger color is the 30. So, and it's only on the ends. So the top is, for the most part, black, and some pieces of number 4 because the 30 is mixed with number 4. So yeah, like I said, I haven't had a lot of shedding. This is after almost, tomorrow will be a week of wearing this. I don't really have any complaints really. I would say to make sure you finger detangle every other day if you're not sleeping with a scarf on your head, or sleeping with some sort of braids or twist or something in your hair. Or my favorite go-to was putting it all at the top of my head and sleeping in a bun. That's my favorite thing to do. So yeah, so far low maintenance, not having super issues with fuzziness and little beady beads on the bottom, not having that problem after the first week. So we'll see how it goes. I may or may not come back for a final review if I leave this in for 4 weeks, but who knows, we'll see. I don't want to tell you anything concrete. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, please leave some hair for me to try for this style or whatever. I think I'm also gonna try a wig from the hair store. Cringeworthy, but I follow Bobbi Boss on Instagram, and I'm liking the wigs that I'm seeing. So I don't know, maybe I'll play around with a wig from Bobbi Boss. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, follow me on Instagram at AsToldByTaj with 3 Y's. And make sure you subscribe so we can see each other again. I would love to talk to you and chat. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on my channel somewhere.